Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes to Code with your host Zheng. Today we're going to be looking at an example in processing. I love using the processing to help a new programmers to learn how to code. It is simple and gives the code better understanding for processing code for the process. Processing is a setup in a two-main function. So, one is the setup area and the draw area. For the program, it's running the jump to the setup area and carry out those instructions first. So, for the setup area, it is only does this once at the beginning of the program. After it has been completed instruction in the setup area, it moves on to the draw area. The draw area loops from the top to the bottom until the program is terminated. Let's check out the setup code for this example in more detail. The first command will issue the image function draw an image to the display window. Image must be in the Sketch's data directory to load correctly. Select Add File from the Sketch menu to add image to the data directory, or just drag the image file into the Sketch window. Processing currently work with the GIF, JPG, and PNG images. The second command is the surface set resizable to, so this will render the image. The third command, I use the surface set size in order to keep in the image size in program. The fourth command I issue is load pixel. This will load pixel data for the image into this pixel array. The fifth command issue is size 900 by 900. This is actually the screen size of our program. The sixth command we issued is background 0. This draws the entire background for the screen black. The seventh command issue the stroke weight. Okay. And the next section, we will be looking at the draw section. This is where the code loops and loops from the top to the bottom rapidly until the program is terminated. I created a function for flower. I found the rows mathematic from the Wikipedia page, and there is a parametric. It shows the equation, which is x equals cosine k theta, and this cosine theta, and y equals cosine theta times sine theta. So the k is the paddle coefficients, c, theta and x and y, and r is uncalled parametric. So I will need to set the flow for the k, theta, and x and y, and this will be create a random number with the decimal point and assign it to the variables, and place the xy into the equation, and then using the scale to decrease the size of the shape for the shape. And then for this background image, I found this image and then downloaded, and then I'm using the p-image reference to load image in the programming, and using the transparency to make another opacity layer of the image. Using the easing reference to move the image from the left to the right, and turn the reference make it transparent for the image. And that's all about this coding for the processing for this example. So be sure to take a screenshot for your art and maybe try and recreate some of your work in the real world. And I really hope you have enjoyed this code you have been seeing, and thank you for watching it.